What a wonderful fall we've been having here in northern Alberta. I mean, we had a bit of snow in the evening after kids were done trick-or-treating, a bit of snow, but I mean, it's November 2nd, and really, we can't complain. Having said that, the snow's coming, so before it's too late, I'm gonna fire up Ol Gil here behind me, and we're gonna go rescue the snowblower attachment for the Cub Cadet. So, let's go get it. Oh. This machine was a little bit hard starting, so I've decided to change the diaphragm out in any case. So I've removed the muffler just to give a bit more access and a better view. And let's see what we find in here. Looks like somebody has somebody siliconed this. Oh, come on. And put this in wrong. Oh my. I've run into this a couple times where the spring seat is in here. What's the point of that? The spring sits on that. This is to protect your diaphragm from the spring. I think sometimes with these plates, they get over torqued and then they warp, and then people just I guess feel the need to put silicone on it. So yeah. Hard to say if this is going to make a huge difference, but yes, there's only one way to find out. Time for some fun now. Now that it ticks, we'll find out what makes it tick. So I've just removed this little cover here. It's just a couple of thumb screws, off it comes. And so this pulley here, when we pull the lever up, that's what engages our belt here. And let's just see, it looks like it comes pretty close. That belt might be, I don't know, not bad at all. Okay. That gives us a look at the drive mechanism for the wheels. So when we pull this up, that drives our wheels. There's a few grease points here as well. There's one down here and a couple over there. I don't see any others, so that's fairly simple. Well, it's pretty low for one thing. All things considered, it's fairly clean actually, so I think I'm just going to top it up.
"2,000 years later."
There we go. So we've added about half a quart. It only takes about a quart. It's not for lack of effort, but poor old Gil's a bit traction limited, so I guess this is a Jeep job. At least there's a bit of a path clear, because I don't have my winter tires on yet.